Alright, scroll saw. Awesome tool. Lots of projects, portraits, signs. Well, we've got this wall art that we're going to make right now. Really cool. So, check it out. Hey guys, we have this pattern here. I downloaded it from makerpatterns.com. They have hundreds of patterns, this one included. And it's got the moon, star, clouds, and this wording, Sweet Dreams. What it is, it's a wall art. We're going to cut it out now and show you how that's done and how it looks. Really cool. Alright, so let me show you. We've got this board here, MDF, and we're going to attach the star, the name, cloud, and the moon to the board. I've marked out a section. I've marked out a section here, and I'll just cut this out with the jigsaw. Now, Paul from Paul's Messy Workshop mentioned, why don't you tape, like I'm taping, the board first, and then spray adhesive the templates, the pattern. That way you could peel it off and it'd be a quick removal. Well, I ran out of adhesive. It's a great idea. I don't use that method. I know about it, but I've never used it. You know, when you get into the habit of doing something the difficult way, you always. I do that with Photoshop as well. But I am going to purchase more adhesive and do the method the way Paul does. So thank you for that comment, Paul. I appreciate it. So here we have our different parts that we need to cut out on the scroll saw. This is a very cool project. I'll put this up on Etsy as well. Let's go cut this out. So we have our moon cut out. And, well, we're going to keep going. I can't wait to do the painting and finishing. I will sand a little bit along the edges for any stops and goes that I did, where there might be slight deviations, but this is going to be a very cool sign. I think you're going to dig it. Let's continue. Cloud, name, or words, and the star. So I'm going to put this one up on Etsy. You can check out makerpatterns.com for patterns like this and others. Yeah, cool. I'm going to get on with the next project. Sweet dreams.